Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create classic typewriter text and sound effects to your videos in CapCut. So here, just add the clips and go to text, click on add text, and just write your text. Okay, you can choose your favorite phone. I'm going to copy it to create the second text. Okay, I'm going to put it like this. And after that, click on the first tag and go to animation and choose for search for the typewriter animation under the in category. Okay, this one, and adjust the speed to your liking. And also do this for the second text. Okay, and after that, click on the second text and drag it a bit so that it appears after the first text is finished. Okay, I'm going to start after the arrow. And after that, you can just now go to the audio to add the sound effect. Click on effect and search for typing, then just add the sound that you like. Okay, typing on typewriter here, click on a plus icon and adjust the duration to match with the text. Let's see the result first. Okay, you can just adjust it so that it matches with the text. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, and also click on the thanks. Bye.